Right now at 11, we are tracking Hurricane Milton as it barrels toward the Florida coastline.
This is a live look tonight in Tampa, Florida. It is a beautiful sight, but we know conditions will be worsening throughout the day tomorrow. Here in Georgia, Governor Brian Kemp has ordered a state of emergency for nearly 40 counties as Georgia's coast braces for its own potential impacts.
So this storm is packing life-threatening storm surge, flooding, rain, and damaging winds as well. Let's get you straight over to 11 Alive's Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb, tracking the latest path here.
And this storm is maintaining its Category 5 status. Earlier, we had maximum sustained winds at 165 miles an hour. It's come down a little bit to 160, but that's not much of a weakening trend at all. We often see some of these fluctuations like this. Here is the storm pulling away now from the Yucatan Peninsula, and the next target is going to be the west coast of Florida. You can still see that very well-defined eye right here as it's moving up toward the north and the east. Here is the latest track. We're seeing a little bit of a shift down to the south. We've got it as a Category 4 before landfall. It may come down to a Category 3. The timing still looks like it's going to be late Wednesday night, overnight into early Thursday, maybe midnight, 2 o'clock in the morning there along the west coast. But you see that maybe a little bit more to the south of Tampa here, but still impacts over the entire peninsula of Florida. It maintains hurricane status over land out into the Atlantic, and then it weakens moving out into the Atlantic as well. Even though this track doesn't make a direct hit on the Georgia coast, we are still expecting some potential impacts on the Georgia coast as well. Here is that hurricane warning in effect for Central Florida, not only the west coast, but also the east coast, since it's maintaining that hurricane strength. But look up here to Georgia. Again, not widespread issues there, but we do have the tropical storm warning that goes from the Georgia-Florida line up to the Altamaha Sound, which does include Brunswick and St. Simons. And then in the coastal waters, a tropical storm warning that goes up to the Georgia and also the South Carolina line. For our area here in North Georgia, we won't see any impacts at all. We're just going to enjoy more sunshine and more cool air. We'll talk more about that in your 7-day outlook.